Because the car you are planning to buy today might look perfect, feel smooth, and even seem like a great deal. But give it just 2 years, and it could turn into one of the worst financial decisions you ever made. We are talking about cars that lose thousands in value, start breaking down, and cost you way more than you expected. And the scary part, most people only realize this after it's too late. Tadia, we are counting down 7 cars that can quietly destroy your wallet after just 2 years. Some of them look amazing. Some are very popular. And one of them you probably see every day. So watch till the end. Because number 1 is the kind of mistake you don't want to make twice. 7. Nissan Altima. At first glance, the Nissan Altima looks like a smart choice. It's stylish, comfortable, and affordable. But hear what most people don't tell you. After 2 years, the value drops fast. The CVT transmission starts causing problems. Repairs can get expensive if not maintained perfectly. And once the warranty is gone, you are the one paying for everything. It's not the worst car, but financially, it does not age well. 6. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass sells you a dream. It looks like a premium SUV. Rugged, stylish, and ready for adventure. But in reality, the engine feels underpowered. Reliability is not the best. And for the price you expect much more. After 2 years, you start noticing the compromises. And that SUV feeling you paid for, it fades pretty quickly. 5. BMW 3 Series used. Owning a BMW feels like success. The badge, the drive, the luxury. Everything feels premium. But here's the truth no one tells you. Buying a used BMW is easy. Maintaining it is not. After a couple of years, maintenance costs go up. Parts are expensive. Small problems turn into big bills. That cheap luxury you thought you got, it starts costing more than you expected. 4. Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax is popular for one reason. It's affordable. But affordability comes with trade-offs. After some time, the performance feels weak. The interior starts feeling cheap. And resale value drops fast. It's the kind of car that feels okay at first, but disappointing later. 3. Range Rover Evoque. This one is dangerous. Because it looks like a perfect luxury SUV. Stylish, premium, attention-grabbing. But behind that image, repairs are expensive. Reliability is questionable. Maintenance costs are very high. After 2 years, you are not enjoying the car. You are worrying about the next repair bill. Luxury, yes, but also a financial risk. 2. Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 looks bold and powerful. It has presence, it stands out. And it feels like a strong car. But over time, fuel economy hurts your wallet. Technology feels outdated. And resale value drops quickly. After 2 years, it does not feel like a smart buy anymore. 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. This is the car many people buy to save money. But ironically, it can cost you more in the long run. Yes, it's cheap. Yes, it's simple. But very low power makes driving frustrating. Interior feels extremely basic. And resale value is one of the worst. After 2 years, you don't just want to upgrade. You feel like you made a mistake. Saving money up front does not always mean saving money overall. So before you buy your next car, don't just look at the price. Look at what happens after 1 year. After 2 years. After the excitement is gone. Subscribe for smarter car buying tips. And make sure your next car is a smart decision, not an expensive regret.